The Expert Series is brought to you by Draw It Paint, the dry erase paint company that allows you to create the exact space you want. Our products are designed for performance, engineered for durability, and manufactured for quality. Draw It Paint's 3 formulas will allow you to reach every possibility. Behold your best work.
Now, you call yourself the stylish accountant.
I do.
Clearly you have a love for fashion. Where does this come from?
I actually have always liked clothes. I not necessarily fashion or style, but like having a lot of clothes. I've always had way more clothes than I needed. But I wouldn't really put clothes together in a certain way. Like I would just kind of just wear what I had. And when I went to buy clothes, I would just buy what was there, not really thinking about how the outfit would fit on me or how it would look with other pieces that I have. And it really wasn't until I actually got my job working in corporate that I decided that I really needed to be a little bit more intentional with what I wear and how I put outfits together so that I'm not looking, I don't want to say bummy because I never look bummy, but that I'm looking more, like an adult, like a grown up. And it's always about, dress for the job that you want, not necessarily the job that you have. So I was no longer a high school student or a college student or a broke college graduate. I was a professional. I'm a accountant. And so I started being more cognizant of the clothes that I was choosing and how they actually work together. And I realized that I actually love putting clothes together and creating a look. And it started out with being more conservative because, again, I'm an accountant. Accounting is a very conservative industry to be in. They tell you that in college, like, oh, you can't wear bright colors in corporate America. You can't wear crazy colored hair in corporate America or big jewelry. You have to wear black, blue, dark gray. And those are the things that I was kind of gravitating towards. But I realized that wasn't me. I like bold colors. I like big jewelry. I like, purple hair or red hair. And so I just kind of started looking into my personal style and looking at what I actually prefer to wear. And thankfully, the company that I work for is a lot more progressive in that way, that they're not, we always had a more business casual type of vibe. We don't have to wear suits and stockings and, 2-inch pumps to work. And so I was already able to kind of incorporate my personal preferences into my clothing. And then they changed our dress policy to say that now we can wear jeans all the time instead of, just on Friday. So I was like, oh, casual, that's my thing, right? So now I'm like, okay, I'm just going to go all out and I'm just going to be me and I'm going to wear all the bright colors. I'm going to wear jeans when I want to. I still will put on more like business casual type of clothes because I take pictures of my outfits and I post them on Instagram. And I know a lot of people that are in corporate America are not in environments like mine where I can just kind of wear whatever I want to wear to work. So I like to give ideas of how people can still be true to themselves, but still follow that corporate America business casual guideline of, slacks and skirts and blouses instead of jeans and t-shirts and sneakers. So I personally would say that I'm not really necessarily into fashion because to me, fashion is, what the designers are doing, what the trends are, like kind of following those things. I'm more into just style, and that's how to just put things together, how to express yourself through what you're wearing as opposed to keeping up with what everybody else is doing.